Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna give you some tips on how to get a good quality in CapCut editing. So if you're done with your editing on CapCut, before you export the video, you need to adjust the resolution and also the frame rate so that it will have a good quality. So here what you need to do is click on the resolutions on top this box right here, and then you can see there are two options, resolution and also frame rate. So you need to adjust the resolutions to the highest and 1080p, or maybe your phone support 4K, there will be an option to 2K and also 4K. And here the frame rate, you need to adjust it into 60 the maximum, like this. And then after that you can export your good quality edited videos from CapCut. Okay guys, so that's a tips for me. I hope this tutorial will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe to our channel. And last, don't forget to click on the thanks below. See you at the following tutorial. Thank you.